In this video, we're going to do a short overview of Salesforce Field Service. Starting with Fred, a customer of a public utilities company called Gridworks Energy, we can see that he's catching up on his messages when an unexpected SMS notification comes in from the utility provider informing him there's been a power outage. For Fred, this is a critical situation because he relies on an oxygen machine that needs power to stay on. Before he can even call Gridworks, he gets another SMS letting him know that a technician named Callie is on her way to resolve the issue. In this way, Gridworks was able to keep Fred informed and proactively schedule the service. How was Gridworks able to do all this so quickly with Salesforce Field Service? Let's take a look into how they were able to proactively address this outage. Here in the Service Console, we see everything that Gridworks needs to know about Fred. On the left, we have Fred's key information, including the fact that he's enrolled in a medical alert program, and on the right, we have usage statistics and household information. As we look at the center of the screen, we see the smart meter that has failed. Let's dive into this meter asset to learn more. Here we are on the asset record, which shows all the smart meter data in real time thanks to the power of Data Cloud. It looks like the meter is reporting a fault. Luckily, we've set an asset threshold that automatically reschedules a work order when a reading is out of bounds. Now that a work order has been created, it's time to ensure the right technician arrives at the right place at the right time with the right tools to get the job done. That's a lot of things to get right. Let's see how it works. Here we are now in the dispatch console. The single pane of glass gives the dispatcher a complete view into their technicians and their schedules. The best-in-class scheduling and optimization engine optimizes the entire schedule using intelligence from travel modes to predictive point-to-point routing with traffic. This increases the number of jobs worked, decreases windshield time, and maximizes utilization. Going back to the emergency, we can see Fred's appointment on the left. Fred is a priority customer on a medical emergency program. The system has already created the appointment for Fred, and the dispatcher schedules him for an appointment as soon as possible using emergency scheduling. And just like that, Fred's appointment is assigned to Callie, who's located in the area and has the required skill set and tools on her truck. Let's take a closer look at the frontline experience. Callie is parked in her truck and getting ready for her next appointment. She opens up the Field Service mobile app. This works on your mobile device, but also now optimized for a tablet experience, so she has everything she needs to get the job done, on and offline. She spots that this is a Gridworks priority customer and an emergency job due to medical equipment needing power. Callie wastes no time hitting the road. When she pulls up, she dives into Fred's work order, where she assesses his customer profile and asset history, including key information about previous visits. Here we can see Ali is checking off activities on the work plan. She pulls open the utility map to locate the meter outside the house and dive into key details. This map is integrated with the Field Service app, making it easy to take action. Now that the meter has been located, it's on to the next step. This app has been tailored with custom mobile components precisely for Gridworks processes and business goals, and we're about to see one of those in action. Callie takes a picture of the smart meter and is able to annotate key information that will be captured on the record. Callie discovers the problem. Fred's smart meter has a loose wire. Callie gets to work repairing the wire and ensures the smart meter is up to date and receiving power. With the power restored, Callie needs to send Fred a service report of all the work that's been performed. She was able to do that herself, of course, but in this example here, we're going to use Einstein GPT to get an initial draft of the report, which Callie can edit and change as needed. So we can see here that Einstein GPT can look across the data and summarize the work done on site and create the draft service report, complete with photos taken on site. And that represents, a significant time saving for most field service technicians and indeed the organisations they work for. Alright, now that the report looks good, it's ready to be sent to Fred for signature and approval. And that was a short overview of Salesforce Field Service.